Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today we have Brooklyn in 1488 golden wheat, and I can't find a picture of Brooklyn anywhere in any of my magazines because I wanted to kind of take a look at her. But can you see the color? Let me stop moving for a second. It's golden wheat. I think it's pretty. I don't know if the camera's actually showing it a little darker than it is. I don't know. Yeah, the camera's definitely showing it a little darker than it is. All right, let's take a look at her inside cap. She is basic cap construction. We have felt front. We have some lace wefting over the ears. Not too rough, and you got hairs growing in it. Or sewn in it, growing in it. You know, same thing on both sides. We have the Velcro adjusters, and then the same thing with the extended nape is that lace material for the wefting. Let's see how stretchy she is. Not super stretchy, but there's enough pull in there. Okay. Let's try her on, and let's see what she's got to do. What is she gonna do? So, Brooklyn, which way is she gonna fall? Let's see. Let's fix this. Yeah, that's a little better there. And then push this up a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Oh, she's cute, very cute. Let's see how she wants to fall. I don't want to trim anything today, so I'd rather find the picture before I trimmed anything. I'm gonna I like the middle part, so I'm gonna see. I think she's still a little crooked. I want to make sure. I don't know. I don't think it wants a middle part. Let's see. Can't really tell how it wants to fall. Yeah, I think a side part. Yeah. All right, let's put some water in her first. All right. Let's activate some of that permatease. See if we get maybe a little bit of a look sort of like Hollywood Lights or River. She looks maybe a little similar to River, sort of the way that she's falling, except she's got, you know, a little bit longer side. All right, let's see. Mess this up over here. Got to make sure that we cover the permatease. So I'm definitely got to figure out where I'm going to part her, because I think I'm going to do some rooting. That makes it really high. Do I want to do like this? Yeah, I think we're gonna need to do some rooting on her. Don't know if I could do the rooting like Beth does with it on my head. I feel a little nervous still about that. How's everybody doing? Loving the comments. Oh my God, wasn't that hair mail like the best that I just did? That was the best. Thankfully, after that flop with the Paula Young ones, where all 4 of them were like, you know, not that great. I do have 3 more. I forget what they are. They're a mix of Vivica Fox. There's a Paula Young one there, and then I think I got a color one. I got a light blue, like a sky blue from Amazon. So I'm not liking this 100%. Actually, that's better to fall like that. Yeah, I definitely need some rooting. Definitely need some rooting. So I'm gonna use the light golden brown, but I'm gonna take it off to do it because I'm not comfortable yet spraying it on my own. Okay, so I'm gonna just take that part again, make sure I've got it where I want it, and then I'm just gonna spray it in there. And then I'm gonna lift up a little bit of the hair so that we put it under a layer and spray a little bit in there. Do the same thing on the other side. Just lift it up a little bit and spray it under there. All right, and now I'm gonna put her back on, see if that helps. See where we gotta fix it. Yeah, see, that helped. See how that helps? Now you won't see that wefting, not the wefting, but the permatease is bad. So let me, I think I need some Tressolor today too. So I'm gonna put some of the wig wax in. Some of this is still dry, still wet from the water. So I've got to let it dry up a little bit. All right, let me let that side dry up a little bit because it's still wet. I don't know if I'm liking her today. I don't know if I'm liking her today. Okay, so let's activate some of this. Activate some of the permatease. Scrunch up some of that Tressolor wig wax. Let's see. How do I want this to look today? Looking cute. Looking cute. Yeah, I think that's about how I want to just style her. Just pick some of this up back here. I don't want it to look like too perfect because then you'll realize it's a wig. And I am going to put in some of the Shape and Hold from Aesthetica. Just kind of spray that, right? Using a little more product today than I usually do, but I want it to, I want the style to kind of stay. I don't want it to really fall. All right, I think this is where we're at for Brooklyn. I'm curious to see the picture, but I think this is where I'm landing. All right, let's take a look. So you've got this side. Where's my mirror? We've got the back, right? We've got the back. And then I've got this side and the front. Yeah, so what do you guys think? This is Brooklyn in Golden Wheat, 1488. Let me see if I put a little bit maybe behind my ears instead. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit behind my ears. But anyway, this is her today. I want this just a little less, okay. Little balanced. Okay, this is her. for today, and I will go into the dressing room, my room, and show you the outfit with the wig with the outfit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my outfit. Look at this, the sleeves on my blouse. I love them. Can you see it? I love this top. And I just have my burgundy, these are burgundy boots, knee-high boots. Okay, this is my top. I love it. I love these sleeves. Can you see the sleeves? All right, this is my outfit. This is the wig with the outfit. Thought it kind of went really well. So I will report back tonight and let you know how Brooklyn went. All right, thanks for stopping by. See you tonight.